Arutwo 3,000 kuuma university na college itiganite mwena wa Igembe ya muhuro nio maragomanite guthoma uhoro muhinyu wigie kothi itiganite iria ingimateithiriria kuona mieke ya mawira na ihenya.
My aim is to nurture talent so that youth can be able to discover their full potential. For example, in music.
Mwuirigi augite ati wongerereku wa thogora wa githomo guku bururi-ini ni utumite andu aingi aria mangienda mweke wa guthoma maremwo guthi cukuru kuona ati aingi ao matihota kuona mbeca icio. Oho ni arauga ni ari na mubango wa kwaria na baruthi a Kenya kuma mabururi mangi niguo amenye uhoro wigie mieke ya guthomera nja wa bururi.
I intend to have a database whereby I will register all the graduates of Igembe South constituency according to the career line they have enrolled.
Oho Mwuirigi ni araugire ona thengia wa mbeca icio gukorwo itiraigana ni agutigirira arutwo othe 3,000 o mundu ni aheo 10,000 na oho ni agutigirira ni ateithiriria arutwo kuona scholarships niguo kuota kurikia githomo kuona ati aingi ao maumite family igumirwo ni ukia.
In Igembe South, I have discovered that we have a lot of talent which can be nurtured and create a lot of jobs for the young people. So my fellow young people, just what we ought to understand is only giving me the support to do so.
Girifotera Inooro TV, Geto Kate Muthoni.